Hey, Charisma here. Well, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share on how to overcome resistance. I don't know about you, but for me and most people, when you want to do something that you've never done before, whether that's, start a new exercise routine, go to the next level in your income, try a sport or whatever that thing is that you've never done before, they always seem to be resistance, which is natural because it's like your ego is trying to keep you safe, it's trying to, and your limiting beliefs start to act up as well and get in the way. And those are natural occurrences when you try to do something or become someone that you've never been before, right? So today I want to talk about a way that you can really overcome that resistance. So before we get started, I want you to grab your paper and pen and let's get going. All right. Resistance sometimes can come in the form of many shapes. It can come from our internal self, from our thoughts, our beliefs, or limiting beliefs. It can come from the people around us, the naysayers, the people who are trying to hold us back if we're trying to really step into another level and rise into something that you've never done. I mean, the resistance can be real at times. But here's one shift that I want you to consider when you experience resistance. So whether that's going from a scarcity and lack mindset into abundance and wealth consciousness, like what I shared on my previous video, or whether it is to adopt a new habit, daily habit, a new ritual, or when it's to, go from one income level to the next, whatever that thing is, and you are experiencing resistance. Let's break it down. So resistance is going to give you that feeling or that belief or whisper into your ear that who are you, number one, to try this thing. Is this imposter syndrome that flares up, right? It's like, who do you think that you are to even try something? Who do you think you are to desire such a thing? You want to make what? $10,000 a month? Aren't you good with 2,000 or 5,000? Or you want to make 20, 30, 100K? Why do you want to make so much money, right? And who are you to deserve so much money? Or you want to run a marathon. Well, you can't even run a 5K. Why would you want to run a marathon? And all of this resistance and limiting beliefs and self-doubt and self-talk and everything that's going to discourage you from doing what you've decided that you want to do. Okay? And then there's the outside people around you, your family, your friends, your partners, your lovers, that's going to tell you, why would you want to do it? Aren't you comfortable where you are? Aren't you in a good job? Why do you want to go into entrepreneurship? Why would you want to do that? Why do you want to step into your calling? Why do you want to live a purpose-driven life? Like, what does that even mean? And all of these things. So you get the inner chatter, the internal resistance, and then you get the outside external resistance. But sometimes when this resistance comes, it's something to do with our expectation. We expect it at some level. We expect that we're going to be challenged. We expect that there's going to be resistance. And rightfully so, there is resistance because sometimes because you've never done it, there's fear rise up and all those things. But sometimes because when we get so accustomed and expect that, the resistance to come, that could be part of the resistance actually showing up, right? So there is the resistance that will come up, but sometimes it has to do with your expectation. So here's my key to share with you today. How about if when you decide that you're going to do something you've never done before, you want to go to the next level in some area of your life, how about you experience that resistance internally? You see it, you honor it, and you acknowledge it internally. for a moment. Just entertain it for a bit and see the value that it's trying to show you. Why is it showing up? It's showing up to keep you safe. It's showing up because, well, you've never done it before, so you may not know the how. And this is probably fear and doubt. And it's just okay. You don't need to know the how. You just need to make the decision to do it. Ask for guidance. Ask for inspired guidance so that you can get the divine inspired actions to move forward. Get the support from a mentor or coach. And then accept the new way. Accept the new income. Receive the new income mentally. See yourself already experience it. See yourself already being the marathon runner, busting through that line, achieving that medal, whatever that thing is for you. Do the internal work first with the resistance, and then come to a place of acceptance that you've already done it. And you will be surprised and be delightful to know that the resistance that would normally come, especially from the external and the rest of the internal resistance, will go away. It will fade away. If you did this every time that you decide to go to the next level, you want to try something new, do the internal work first. Overcome the resistance internally first. Spend the time to overcome. Spend the time to acknowledge. Spend the time to allow the resistance, and then move into that realm of reality where you have already achieved what you set out to desire. And as I conclude this video, I want to leave you with this. All growth passes through 3 stages. First, you'll be ridiculed, and we talked about the resistance. Second, your efforts will be met with serious opposition, and it can get pretty serious. Third, you'll be accepted as the new person you've become. So what I've just shared with you is to accept the new person that you've become in the process of receiving that thing, achieving that goal or desire, manifesting whatever that thing is, shifting into a new level of income, whatever that thing is. Accept as the new person you've become. And when you do the internal work and the internal processing to overcome the resistance, you would have become the person. You would have accepted the person, the new person that you've become. I hope that this video has been of value to you. If it has been, please share with someone that you know it can impact their lives. Like, share it. If you haven't joined the family yet, subscribe and join the family here. And I'd love to invite you to my current open enrollment to the Next Level Manifestation Academy, where we go knee deep in understanding manifestation, understanding how to intentionally manifest, really get clear on one thing that you want to manifest in your current reality. The link in the description below. I look forward to joining you in the Next Level Manifestation Academy. And as always, follow me on Instagram at charisma_arrow. And as always, until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.